This is how you can check your grades on Canvas. Okay, first of all, I am going to show you from a test student page. So this again is not a real student, so I'm not sharing anyone's personal information. Okay, so this is the home page of Canvas. Okay, what you're going to do is go over here to the left, and you are going to go to grades. First of all, I want to point out before we go into grades, do not click on assignments because there are quite a few assignments that are old or have never been assigned that just were imported with the Canvas course. So going through this link can be confusing. So the best thing for you to do is go to grades. You're going to click on grades. And okay, the first thing you'll probably notice is this column here that says status. And you'll see that in this case, this student who does not exist has not done anything for the entire quarter. Another thing that you need to notice and make sure is that you are looking at quarter 4 under grading period because those are the only assignments that you will be able to make up at this point. Okay, so here on the left is the name of the assignment. This was the due date. This is the status. The other thing that you will see that I want to draw your attention to is the score. So you have whatever your score is out of 100. Everything is based off of a 100-point scale. Now, under normal circumstances, if you had not completed an assignment, then this score would say 0. But with the COVID-19 and remote learning, the district mandated that we give everyone 50 points, even if they did not do anything for the assignment. But please do not let this cause you to think that you're good, that you have points for this assignment and you don't need to do anything, because this 50 points is still an F. Okay, so all this is doing is allowing a little bit of cushion for those students who decide that they do want to complete work. It gives you this little bit of cushion to be able to make it a little easier for you to bring your grade up enough to pass the course, or even do better than just passing. Okay, so how do you get in here and do the assignment? So you need to come over here, and as you hover over the assignment name, the hyperlink shows up. The other thing I want to point out is that it will also say formal or informal, but you have to put your cursor over top of the link. I recommend you doing the formal assignments first. Okay, so you click the link. This will take you to this page, which there's no submission. Then you need to go to this button, Submit Assignment. Once you're here, you are in the assignment and you can type your answer or do whatever's asked of you, and then once you're finished, click Submit Assignment. And then you can go back to grades and go on to the next assignment that is missing. If you, in the status, it may say late, but if it says late, that means that it has been turned in. It was just turned in late. So you can just disregard those. And then certainly if you turned it in on time, it's either blank or there might be a green button there. So remember that you have until May 26th to turn these in. Please reach out to me if you have any questions at all.